Look at the window. Maybe over here? Do you see any? Brody, right here, look. Over here. Look over here. Come here. Come here. Right there. Now turn around. Look. Yes! Where do you see? You found another one? Go get it! I think that's it. Now you have to open them. Now you get to open all the eggs. All done. Do you want to do it again? Do you want me to hide them again? Pardon? There's no more. Mommy can hide them again if you want.